Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix FPS drops and stuttering problem in League of Legends. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your League of Legends is up to date. This makes sure that we don't have some minor bugs or glitches installed within our system, so click on the update button right here. Now while you're updating the application, let's head over to Google, and basically from here you then want to search for NVIDIA drivers or AMD drivers depending on the graphics card that you are using. This makes sure that our drivers is compatible with the latest application that includes League of Legends. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA. I'll head over to the NVIDIA drivers. You then want to simply look for the right model. My GPU is going to be the RTX 3060 Ti. So I'll click on the Find button. And of course, from here, you then want to download and install the latest version of drivers. Meanwhile, let's head back to League of Legends once more. And then you want to try to head over to your profile icon, click Settings, and from here, look for League of Legends, scroll down and click on the Repair button. This will help us repair some, once again, bugs or glitch within the system. And basically, the last thing that you want to do is to try to lower down your graphics for League of Legends. And you also want to close some background applications to allocate more resources to the game itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.